Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, and it is the last trading day of 2014. It's Wednesday the 31st at 10:21 a.m. and we're done for the day in the Mojo room. We've had 21 people that have hit their goal. We have had 3 people that have doubled, 1 person that tripled, a couple people paper traded, and the people that haven't hit their goal, I already rectified that, went through with them in the room how they possibly could not hit their goal and what happened. And they're new to the room, that's why that happened. So right here, I want to share something with you. If you're trading 1/10 of the size and you're new to the room, how can you expect to hit your goal if you're trading in beta at 1/10 of the size? Doesn't make sense. So when you're new to the room, you trade 1/10 of the size because you have to learn how to scale in. Okay? And it's, on your first day, don't be looking to participate as such a full trader in the room. Okay? BCLI, let me show you the pick on BCLI and the trades we did today right at the open. First trade we did right here, we didn't chase it, we missed it, was the NRX, so we didn't fill. Okay, and then we filled at 1277, entry 2 at 1246, and then we had an average of 1500 at 1258, sold at 80 and sold at 97. Then we filled again at 70 and 77 and sold again at 90 and 92, 13 and 1305. And after we sold at 1305, within 2 minutes it went to 1446. Always seems to do that. They know how many shares you have, and then boom. The market makers are smart people, folks. They know what's going on, and they know where all the shares are, what's happening, and they got control. You just got to try to be as smart as them. Then what we got right here, on top of that LA Woman, the Mojo Rising theme song right there. So we got Ruckus with a small move through Hines 12. Hines is the squeeze through the even numbers. And you could see a lot of day trading rooms start looking at their logs. They're all playing stocks now right through the even number. They all see the success of the Mojo. Hey, more power to you. Look at all these stocks trading on the gainers list today right here. You can Hines any one of them. More power to you. You can make money. Go for it. Use that Mojo Hines move to make yourself money. Go for it. If you really want to get in tune, you'll use that in the room with the rest of the traders and so forth and make money. Right now I have in the room 35, 40 pro traders that have been through Mojo University. Next class on Mojo University is January 6th. It's a full class. It's over 25 new students going to be in there, going to learn the Mojo style, and they're going to become pro traders. They're going to learn to short and why I did at 1578, shorted 1690, and average 1100 short at 1655, and 1 minute later covering it for a 70-cent gain, covering the rest right here for a 90-cent gain. BCLI sweet new high 442. Bought BCLI first one at 410 to 15, the next one 15 to 20 for an average of 17. New high of 42. BCLI right now 75, 83. So 402 was the low. We got in about 417 right here on this break. Bajango. Ruckus, we did nice on that. NRX, super, super sweet. And that's how we trade for the day. So those were the picks for today. BCLI's crazy. Ruckus we did amazing with. And that's it. Wow, 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 wow. So traders, we ended the year. What was important for me today was my win streak. I kept a very large win streak going. We did about 8 trades today, 9 trades that are going to be added to the log. Let me show you. Let me show you what's going on in the bungalow. 144 on 12/15. That was 16 days ago. Haven't lost on a trade since then. And we're going to do about 7 more today, so I should end it around 275. Excuse me. It's 117. That's a 275 minus 144. It's 131 trades. Sweet. And we're going to end the month for the swing trade, same way. Swing trading right here, portfolio, magnificent. December close trades, 71 of them. Some of the biggest winners, this one, Zaza, 88%. Want to see scaling out? Zaza, bought at $1.80, sold $2.20. The next day, sold it at $2.35. Next day, sold it at $3.40. Scaled out in 3 days. Very nice. JNUG, 378 and 415. JNUG, 380, 398, 404. Scaling out. Couple other good ones. Jivo, 33. Jivo, reversed, sold it at 30. Jivo, sold 37, bought it back at 27. So we bought it originally at 27. Position was half closed at 33. Position was 3/4 closed at 30 on the reverse. And then it popped the next day, actually 5 days later, to 37. So that's the Mojo wrap up for the month. Excellent job. Let's take a little look at the stocks and the room. And wish everyone a Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. We're done for the year. How did you do today? How'd you make today? Because we did it in less than an hour. Who made money today? Nice. Nice job, Sal. 1,800 to end the year on the day. 1266 for Pro Trader Rambo. Ooh, Pro Trader Nori stepping up the game. Used to be a $200 or $300 average. Now Nori's got it around 700. Nori doubling the average. I like it. Seeing we do this all the time, so I know what each trader makes. I know the size of their accounts, and we've got outcome goals, we've got process goals, we've got self-belief and patience in our system and game. We're all going to be millionaire traders. Pro Trader Allen, great day, 1496. Gags, 378. Good job, Pro. Nice job, DC Chiz, 468. Jude, 500. Nice. Bohan, 367. Happy New Year win. Nice job, Pro Trader Francis, 787. Real belief in your system. Accurate, 266 by 937. Wonderful. Cobra made $111. $111. Oof, wonderful. Benjamin made a half a Benjamin. Nice job, Benjamin. Sweet stuff. Great job, everybody. We do this every day. It's not difficult. The win streak's there. High probability aggressive scores. So I take these trades right here for the day trading log. And I come right down here. First trade of the day was NRX entry, and we missed it. But then we got it and filled. 46, average was 58. Some people sold on the first one because it went above 13, but I didn't call out the sell, still in the position, added 500 more. So we were average about 2,000 shares at around 56. So NRX was 56. NRX. And we sold it at 75, 80, and 97, and then sold more, and that's it, 97. So the average sale was around 87. We'll go 86 and make it an even 30. And that was a stopping station. Then we did, again, 70 and 77, so that's an average of 74, because that's a stopping station. And we sold 90 to 95. We sold at 92, 13, and 13.05. So the average sale was 13. We'll go 12.99 to make it an even 25. And then it went to 14.46. Oosh! BCLI long average 14.17. BCLI, and then we did a ruckus. Doubled it up, so I was at 12.94 and sold at 13.04. That's $1,000 Heinz play right there. Process goal complete. BCLI sold, then we shorted NRX. At 15.78. Everybody else would have lost. Okay? We shorted at 16.90, the average 1,100. So that was 100 shares at 15.78, 500 more there, and got the rest. Average 1,100 at 16.55. Covered at 15.75. 80-cent short sale. Covered 15.85 and 15.7. So the average cover was 87. Then we shorted it again and more at 85 and then more. So the average short again was up there at 16.80. Shorted more at 17.20, covering at 16.80 and filled. So the average short was 55 entry, 85 puts it at 80, and then 17.20 puts it at around 17.05 for the short. And we covered at 16.70. Right there, 77. Covered at 70, and then we're flat. So we got an average of around 75. BCLI's crazy. We're out of it already. We sold BCLI down here, even though it went to 442. We sold it at 40. So there was an average of around 36 because we sold some lower. Made 20 cents. Some people made a lot more. the model made 20 cents. And that's it. So this one is done for the day with 270 trades for the month. And 263 correct for 97%. The average, these Google Docs are great, is 13 cents scalp. Congratulations, everybody. Very great month. How'd you do for the month of December? Any tallies? How'd you all do for the month of December?
City at night.
Anybody want to share? 39,000. Nice job. 43,000. Amazing job. Congratulations, guys. That's the way to trade. 6,500 for the month. Very nice, Trady. 30,000. Click. Great job, brother. People are making money in the Mojo room. This is going to be my best video and the highlight video. It's real deal, folks. People make money in the Mojo room. Serious money on a daily basis adds up to that on a monthly basis. That is not made in one day on one trade. That is made on 300 trades a month following a system and a game plan of outcome goals, process goals, self-belief, and patience. It's what I teach in Mojo University. Every one of those pro traders have been through Mojo University. Pro Trader Click has not been in Mojo University, but should be. He'd probably be making a lot more than 30,000. Anybody else want to share? Otherwise, Pro Trader Mike is signing off. Happy New Year. I'll see you in 2015.